Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I decided to do this unplanned short video before I head to the mall. I'll tell you why I'm going there. So first I want to show you this. See this holiday Gucci bag? So a little unboxing. I saw this item on YouTube from another fellow YouTuber, and she had a little unboxing on this, and I liked it so much that I went ahead and got one for myself. Okay, so this is in this Gucci dust bag, and here you go. I love small leather goods, and I have, as you probably remember, I have a lot of cosmetic bags. That seems like never enough, and this is different because it's very roomy in terms of it's wide. It's not like flat, and I feel like you can fit a lot of stuff there. It has this amazing emerald green, is it emerald green? Lining. It has a little pocket there. So here we go, very cute item. I like this, almost like a charm. The canvas seems to be coated, so it's almost like plasticky feel. So it makes me think it's gonna be very durable, and I'm not gonna stain easily. And fabrics seem to be also like almost wipeable. It's not a plastic, it's a fabric, but it looks like gonna be easy to wipe, and it's very soft, it's very smooshy, unlike my Louis Vuitton cosmetic bags. So here we go. This is a little unboxing. Probably gonna take it with me on my London trip. So that's what comes to this little guy. It came with this cute box. It's not even that expensive. I mean, $390. Obviously, it's expensive, but to compare with other designer leather goods, it's not. And they have smaller sizes. But it's probably a little too small, and price difference is only like $20. So here we go. And so this is my little unboxing, and I love their holiday bag. I like pink, like flash pink. So, and the main reason I'm going to the mall, first of all, I have to pick up my watch. I'm exchanging battery into now, and but another reason, actually wanna go to Louis Vuitton store and show them this bag. See, that's why I like YouTube luxury community, because you get a lot of useful information. See those handles? See, if you can see, it's almost like a dirt on the handles. That's what I actually thought, but then I realized I'm having issue on this bag. The same issue with a lot of YouTubers having with their Puchet Métis and other bags. Apparently, it's a glazing. It's a melting glazing. Forgive me my nails, please. And so I'm gonna go and show, and it's, look at this, it's clearly me, and you can actually scrub it with your nails, like some dirt off. So let's see what they're gonna tell me. I really do love this bag though. I love this color, and maybe they will replace this one or fix it somehow or give me a credit. So I'm gonna update you on this issue. But again, huge thank you to YouTube community because I find it very, very useful. Very useful. Like I would never thought I can actually bring it back and have it either fixed. I wouldn't even think it's a glazing issue, but now I realize it is. Okay, so this is it for today's video. I know I promised you guys video of what I'm gonna take to London. I also wanna do another video on what items I got during huge sales for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, which is today, but started like already a couple days ago. And these two videos I wanna do before I go to London in beginning of December, and I'm gonna vlog from there, and I'm gonna vlog from Harrods, possibly. I'm all new to this, so forgive me if I don't deliver on my promises. I have like all those plans which sometimes don't go through for various reasons. Sometimes it's not even up to me. But if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe, please. If you like this video, click a like, and I'll see you soon with update on this and my two other videos. Bye guys.